Maintaining your air conditioner's air filter is crucial for efficient cooling and clean air in your home. Today, we're going to talk about how to change your air conditioner's media filter in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Turn off the power to the unit to avoid any accidents. You can do this by turning off the unit's power switch. Step 2. Locate the media filter. It's usually located near the air handler or furnace, and it's going to be behind a panel that looks similar to this. Step 3 is remove the old media filter. Slide it out carefully, noting the direction of the airflow indicator on the filter. Installing your air filter correctly helps achieve maximum efficiency and cooling capacity of your system. Step 5. Secure the filter in place. Make sure the cover is securely fastened. Final step number 6. Turn power back on to the unit. You should now have a fresh, clean media filter ready to keep your home cool and comfortable. Regularly changing your air conditioner's air filter can lower your utility bills, give you better air quality in your home, and extend the life of your unit. Remember to check your air filters every 3 to 6 months depending on usage. Comment if you have any questions about media filters or anything else to do with your air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay cool and comfortable all year round with these simple maintenance tips.